In this video, we'll show you how to make homemade chocolate syrup. You need half a cup of cocoa, 1 cup of sugar. Mix your ingredients together until they're completely combined. Next, add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix in with your sugar and cocoa. Add half a cup of cold water, and you would like to whisk the water into your mix. Mix until all your ingredients are combined, and this is done without turning on the heat. When your water and mix are all fully combined, then you turn on the heat and let boil for about 5 to 8 minutes. This will allow the sugar to dissolve and your syrup will thicken. Add 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Turn off the heat and stir. And voila, you're done your amazing chocolate sauce. We enjoy over ice cream or other desserts.